28-day service with square air freshener wafers. These tools will be needed for servicing. Air-sent solid square wafers are recognized for their ease of servicing. Here's how it works. Simply tear the top of the refill packet and remove the wafer. For best results, start with 2 wafers in the first 2 slots. Be sure to always clean the dust from inside of the dispenser and fan blade. Change the alkaline battery if necessary. On the second service, move the 2 existing wafers 1 slot to the right. Now insert the new refill in the first slot. Repeat this procedure on the third service, moving the existing refills 1 slot to the right and inserting the new refill in the first slot. Then, on the fourth service and thereafter, you will need to discard the wafer furthest to the right. Move the existing refills 1 slot to the right and insert the new refill in the first slot. You should repeat this service procedure at least every 28 days.